Good morning, everyone. It is a little bit later on in the morning. We're nearing noon. um, we were so exhausted after getting home last night from our very long day. We had such a fun and active weekend, but we're just so tired. And this morning, the baby woke up when the kids were getting ready for school, and then her and I just went back to sleep after they left. My body needed a couple of extra hours. So after I woke up, I made some breakfast and then I just edited another Vlogtober video. So that's taken care of. So I'm happy about that. I got my makeup done, but I have not dressed yet. I'm still in my pajamas. And today I've got a few things I've got to do. I am going to go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen and start prepping for dinner. Tonight, my oldest has a cheerleading basketball game she's got to go to, so she's got to cheer tonight. My husband's going to go, and my son's probably going to go with him. I'm going to keep the two youngest here with me. I'm going to try and get some work done because I haven't been able to do like any of my, video work, any DIYing or anything like that for the past several days because it's just been go, go, go. And honestly, I just don't have time to sit down and do anything. So I'm trying to prepare for my very first Christmas DIY video that's going to be released shortly after Vlogtober is over. And I want to make sure, I can space it out a couple of days so that I have time before it's supposed to be released to edit it and not have to rush it or anything like that. So I'm hoping tonight I definitely can get a couple of those DIYs done. And I'm excited because I did see that Amazon delivered a couple of the things that I was waiting for. So if that's the case, then I can start. So I'm excited about that. Let's see. I also have some laundry to do because, again, I just haven't been able to focus. And I've got some tidying to do in here too, just because we've been in and out and in and out of the house that I've just honestly, it's just tidying hasn't been the priority. And I've got to get started on that. I've got to put some things in their place. So it's a beautiful day outside, sunny. It's going to be warmer this week, so that's nice. Nelson's got a full week ahead. He is hopefully going to try and get some work done with our neighbor who also has an electrical background, and they're going to try and finish up some stuff in the house later on this week, and that would be really nice because obviously the weeks are just progressing and we're also already on the timeline for the cabinets to be here. And, we're trying to make sure that everything is taken care of that needs to be taken care of before they arrive. So that'll hopefully keep us on track to get this stuff done and completed. So yeah, that's the start to our week today. All right, so I just finished cleaning the bathroom. I'm still drying the inside curtain liner, so that's still in the dryer. I've tidied up, cleaned up the floor, and I gotta find a really small screwdriver because this other piece that goes here fell off, but I don't have a little screwdriver that's that fits that. So I have to see where we can find one so that we can attach it back on there. So I just kind of have it. Actually, I'm going to put it over here on the windowsill so it's out of the way. But everything is nice and just cleaned and wiped down, and I just have to put the rugs down as soon as they're dry. So I'm glad I was able to do that. I'm like in the bathroom right now, trying to see if I can hear less noise from the background so I can talk to you guys. But Nelson just left. There's been quite a bit of time that has transpired since I last spoke on the camera. Whew, I was just trying to get some laundry done. I organized a few things. I cleaned the kitchen. I put away dishes. I had a little bit of a lunch with the baby. Nelson got some work done. I even just finished cleaning the bathroom like I had mentioned. And then when I went out to take the trash, our puppy Axel got into some trash bag and kind of made a mess in our yard. So I picked all of that up. So that's taken care of too. Now my 9-year-old had a little bit of a snack and she's still hungry, of course, for dinner. So me and her are just going to have something small because Achilles is out with Nelson. He's going to be eating out over there. Natalia eats out with the team whenever they have any kind of cheer activity. So they eat out. And then it's just going to be me, her, and the baby here this evening for a while before they come back from Natalia's game. So it'll be just nice, quiet time, just us 3 girls here. I was going to roast some chicken thighs and I had them defrosting in the sink, but I went ahead and put them back in the fridge. They hadn't defrosted all the way yet, so I'll just do those tomorrow instead of today since we're all kind of doing our own thing. And then tomorrow, there's a few things I want to get ready for because tomorrow is going to be parent-teacher conference, so we won't be here for most of the evening, so I got to figure out, get everything set for dinner early before we head down there. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to feed the baby. Then I'm going to get her nice and bathed, ready for the evening. And then my 9-year-old and I will have dinner and then maybe do some stuff together while we wait for everybody else. So, and hey, I might even be able to edit a video. I am not going to aim too high, but you never know. I might be able to get it done. Let's do that one. What's 3 times 2?
6.
Okay. What's 3 times 3?
9.
Okay. Put a 0 down. What's 2 times 2?
4.
What's 2 times 3?
6.
What you got?
96 and 604.
You gotta start from the right. 6 plus 0 is?
I know, I was telling you the answer to see if I got them right.
Let's...
6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13, you gotta do?
Carry your 1, 7.
736.
I know, that's what I wrote.
Good job. All right, so I'm currently in the bathroom because my daughter is watching Halloween Town right now, and it's kind of loud. But everybody's fed. I cleaned the kitchen, folded some more clothes, and put them away. Baby just had a bottle. She's doing good. Nelson is still at the game with the other 2 kids. So I am going to take advantage and I am going to take a shower, wash my hair, and dry it because tomorrow we do have to go to the school and there's lots of stuff happening tomorrow. I also want to try and bake a birthday cake for my baby. We did not get to do the happy birthday whole celebration this weekend just because we had so much stuff going on. And so we knew we would have to celebrate it sometime during the week. So tomorrow I am going to try and fit in to bake her little smash cake. So we'll see if we can get that done tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I can definitely do it on Wednesday, but I want to see if I can, go ahead and get that done for her because I feel bad that we couldn't celebrate it yesterday, but we honestly really had an engagement that we had to be present at. And it had been, scheduled for a bit. So that's fine. we can, do it anytime this week, and we'll make it just as fun and special. And we'll get to take some pictures of her with her little smash cake and all that stuff. So I'm looking forward to making that little cake. I've always done my cakes for my kids. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully take advantage and, I mean, be able to take a shower before 8 o'clock. Like, that's wild because I never do. I'm always pretty much the last one to take a shower. And it's usually really, really late. So I am going to enjoy a little bit of time before everybody else gets home. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here and hopefully enjoy the rest of the evening and take it easy. Now, I didn't get to do any of my DIYs that I wanted to do, but I got a lot of stuff organized and taken care of today so that tomorrow I don't have to worry about it. It'll free up some time tomorrow. So, yeah, it's been another productive, good day, lots of things taken care of. And yeah, I am ready to rest. I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, adios.